Okay folks, I did my Faith Rock climb, and as I was going and coming back I could hear machinery working, and I thought it was further down along here. Maybe they're asphalting and finishing the work, but when I came back across the bridge I could see who's making all the noise. So I'm going to do this so I'm out of people's way. And I'm going to back up for a moment so I am out of people's way. I'm not sure how close I am to the fence. Now, what is that up there? I'm not sure what they're clearing it for. The railroad used to come right where the asphalt road is and turn in here onto the gravel where I am, and then continue along the river on the little plateau. See, I was checking up on the two girls that are driving this. I saw them on the trail. They were sitting on the other side at the concrete benches that originally were put there for the mill workers to go have their lunch in the shade. And so that when there's a 10-year flood and the water comes up higher than that, it doesn't rip out all the benches, which would happen if they were made of wood. See, I'm just letting you watch the guys up there. I have a feeling that it has something to do with extending the Deep River Trail, but I'm not exactly sure. I think that what it'll do is, I'm guessing now, in order to make the trail continuous. Boy, there's a lot of traffic right at the moment I want to say something. If you come along the Faith Rock Trail, right now you have to walk along the road from the mills to get to this part, but I'm guessing they're going to make a path. I'm guessing they're going to make a path that comes down this slope right here that you can see, and they're clearing what the new path will be up there. Let me show you a little more. See, the person comes around the corner at high speed for no reason at all. Why are you so close to me? Why are you so close to me? Person was literally 3 feet off. He came around at 40 miles an hour. That culprit. That. Now you see they've come down here with cinder blocks, the concrete blocks. They've been working on, see the black fence? I believe the path will be there. It'll go behind the mill, it'll cross the little road that's closed now. It'll continue where those guys are working the machinery. And I believe what they're doing is they're sort of straightening out and conveniencing the Franklinville / Faith Deep River Trail in this vicinity, around the museum area. All right? Now, this continues the saga of what's happening now in the Piedmont. There's so much activity. And this is just another aspect of it. See, I thought they came back to finish the asphalt. Instead, they're working on the Franklinville portion of the rail trail, Deep River Trail. Got to use all those names. Steve AB4L, just enjoying it. I think it's great. Saying see you in 73.